हेलो फ्रेंड्स, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए नॉलेज स्क्वाड चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाइए मेरी लेटेस्ट वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we have learned about acceleration, constant acceleration and instantaneous acceleration. In today's videos, we are going to learn about graphs for motion with constant acceleration. As I have told you previously that velocity time graph gives us acceleration. So, we will study first motion in positive direction with positive acceleration. We know that acceleration can be positive, negative as well as zero. So what is positive acceleration? Velocity time graph gives us acceleration. Positive acceleration means velocity is constantly increasing with time. Means an object is speeding up in with respect to time. As time is passing by, the object is increasing its speed. For example, this is a velocity time graph. Along x-axis we represent time and along y-axis we are representing velocity. Here, velocity is continuously increasing with respect to time. At some interval t equals to 0, velocity is 5 seconds. At t equals to 1 second, velocity is 10 meter per second. Okay, so velocity is increasing equally in equal intervals of time. Means velocity is increasing at a constant rate. So an object is moving in a positive direction with a positive acceleration. For example, motion of a car at t equals to 0 to t equals to 10 seconds. Here t equals to 0. Let me zoom out the screen. T equals to 0 to t equals to 10 seconds, velocity is constantly increasing, okay, at a constant rate. Next is motion in positive direction with negative acceleration. Negative acceleration is also called as retardation. Retardation. Okay, so it means velocity is constantly decreasing with respect to time. Means the speed of an object is constantly reducing with respect to time. As here t equals to 0, just imagine speed velocity is 10 meter per second. At t equals to 5 second, velocity comes at 8 meter per second. Then 15 second, velocity comes at 6 meter per second, decreasing with 2 meter per second. Okay, at an equal intervals of 5 seconds. So an object is moving in positive direction with a negative acceleration. For example, motion of a car in figure 3.3 at t equals to 18 to t equals to 20 seconds this time. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, let's move to the next graph. Motion in negative direction with negative acceleration. Negative direction below x-axis. Okay, direction is now negative. An object is moving in negative direction with a negative acceleration. Negative acceleration means speed is constantly reducing. For example, motion of a car from O in given figure in negative x direction with increasing speed. Here O speed is increasing in this direction, but actually velocity is decreasing because 0 is largest, then minus 40 is largest, minus 80, minus 120. Here what is the largest number? This is minus 40, but speed is continuously increasing, 160. Okay, I hope you have you know the concept of these numbers and how we mark line between 0 and minus infinity to plus infinity. Motion of an object with negative acceleration that changes at direction time t1. Now here first direction is negative, okay, and acceleration is again negative. Speed is constantly decreasing till the interval at point t1, and after t1 after t1 between point t1 and t2 it moves in the opposite direction, that is negative direction. Okay, for example, motion of a car from point o p to point o point motion of a car point p to point o. Okay, this is constantly reducing. Then afterwards till time t1 with decreasing speed and turning back and moving with same negative acceleration. Till time t1 it is decreasing speed. Okay, wait, till time t1. Here till O it is decreasing speed. It is shown here, v0 to t1 from P to O. Then it is moving with negative acceleration in negative direction. Speed is increasing. Here it is moving in negative direction with negative acceleration. This is all about your graphs. If you do have any doubts in this, please post in the comment section. Thank you.